This segment is sponsored by Renewal by Anderson.
Do you struggle to get comfortable in your home because it's too hot? If so, did you know that it may be your windows and doors causing that discomfort? Well, now is a great time to replace your bad windows and doors because Paige Jewell, local owner of Renewal by Anderson, is here with an amazing sale. It's their biggest new customer discount, and you won't believe the savings. Paige will share all the details in just a moment. Hey, Paige, good to see you again.
Good to see you. Good morning, Bill.
One of the first things people notice about your windows is how beautiful they are. And every one of them is custom built, right?
Everything is custom built, made to fit. So, you got that measure twice, cut once type philosophy. So we're going to make sure it's going to fit, and we're going to give you, whether you want to keep the same style of window that you have, you want to change it up a little bit. Our windows are made to give you that wow factor on your home. Or if you just want that traditional look with our Fabrics material, we can keep, if you have a house that's 100 years old, we can keep in that same architectural guidelines and keep it look the same.
Well, let's talk about some of the style and design options customers will have with your windows.
We have 7 different styles, and also we have our specialty styles like circle tops and things like that. But basically, your double hungs, your casements, your gliding windows, awning windows, picture, you name it. If you want a custom built window for us, we've got it.
All right, let's talk about the next thing. Renewal by Anderson has a special thank you for 26 years sale going on all this month, celebrating their 26th anniversary. Give us the details on this amazing deal.
It is an amazing deal. So right now, in celebration of Renewal by Anderson's 26th anniversary, we're offering 25% off everything we sell, whether that be windows, patio doors, entry doors. It includes the installation also. And not only are we offering that big, huge savings, but we're also offering an affordable way to pay. So you get 1 year of zero down payment, zero interest for their entire year. So it's an awesome deal.
All right, folks, don't wait. Renewal by Anderson's thank you for 26 year sale ends on June 30th. Here's the number. Call 1-800-589-6633 to schedule your free appointment. Now, this is those. I want to get you to those home improvement projects that are going to leave a home a mess for an extended period of time. You're not in that category, are you, Paige?
No, we aren't, Bill. So we treat everybody's home as if it's our own. Excuse me. So we put down drop cloths. We cover furniture that needs to be covered. We actually have plastic coatings on our glass to make sure they're not getting dirty while we're putting the windows in. And we get so many comments and feedback from our customers that the house is actually cleaner than when we got there. So it's almost like having a free cleaning service involved too. So we make sure that we don't leave any mess inside or outside.
Do a great job with that. You guys don't provide price quotes over the phone, and there's a good reason why. What is it?
Well, we don't take a cookie cutter approach to windows. When you think about a window, this is a custom construction project. So it's almost impossible without looking at somebody's home to give them an idea what the price is. You've got walls, with your conditions of your wall, your sills, your frames. We don't know whether you need an insert frame, a full frame, what your extension jams may need to be, with a slope seal, flat seal. There's so many variables with the way we do things. So we can't give a price over the phone. We make it painless for you. We come out, we give you a free estimate, a free diagnosis, and then we're going to give you a quote that's good for a year. So there's no, hassle. Call us up. We'll diagnose everything. Free quote, good for a year.
All right, that's great information, Paige. Thanks again. Once again, folks, Renewal by Anderson's thank you for 26 year sale is going on right now. Through June 30th, you'll get the biggest new customer discount. That's 25% off every window, every patio door, and every entry door. And with their special financing, you won't pay a single penny for a full year. This amazing sale ends soon, so don't wait until it's too late. Call 1-800-589-6633 or visit brandnewtrust.com to schedule your free windows and door diagnosis.